Well, there's the world famous pile of lumber. Actually, it's firewood that I bitch about all the time, and there's some beautiful clouds. I think I'm going to try and remember to use this camera. It's actually not a camera, it's a phone. Well, it's actually a camera phone. It's actually a phone with a camera on it. To try and do my quick upload videos. Because the audio seems to sound way better on this. Wow, check that out. Look at that. Now that's a cloud. Got totally distracted. So yeah, anyway, let me know if the audio sounds better. In this one, I'm 99.9% sure that it does. 28 days. I already said that in another video. Blister popping video. Stupid video. It's like this one, stupid video, but these are the kind of videos you have to do sometimes when you want to do official tests and stuff. Like, sorta, kinda, yeah. So, let me know in the comments if the audio, or audio. Yeah, what's up with that? Is it an Audi or an Audi? My stepdad used to call them both. Like, one minute he'd call it Audi, and the next minute he'd call it an Audi. I've always called it an Audi. Talking about the car here, not the belly button. So, same with aunt and aunt. Some people call them an aunt, some people call them an aunt. I guess it just depends on where you live or how you were brought up. Probably more so how you were brought up. So yeah, I think from now on I'm going to call it audio. I'll forget and call it audio again. But yeah, the audio in this video seems to sound much better. Would you shut up? They never listen. They never listen. Let me see if I can try it again. Shut up! Never listen. Only time they really seem to listen is in the fall, winter, and spring. Anyway, testing the audio in this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And look at that cloud. It's already changed. What's that look like? Let's see. Kind of looks like a... Geez, I don't know. Kind of like a hand in the middle. Like the hand is doing this. Sort of in the middle there. Sort of. Kind of. Maybe. Nah. Tell me what you see in that cloud. That's Poofy. Poofy. Poofy the Vampire Slayer. Go Vols, screw y'all.